Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Anti-cheat is not installed, easy anti-cheat is not installed, even though you have Fortnite and you have the anti-cheat installed. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to Epic Games Launcher, go where you have Fortnite, and here on these three dots, click on it and go to Manage, and here on Installation, click on this folder icon. So if you don't see this Manage, just go here, make it full screen, and then click on this and go to Manage. And then here on Installation tab, click on this folder. And after we've done that, and after you have this, then just go and close the Epic Games Launcher. Fully close it from from tab, from the start, click on Exit. And now that you have done that, go to Fortnite game, binaries, and now here this Windows 64, if you don't have this folder, you can download it if you don't have. So you download this folder and you just put it here. If you cannot put it here, if the game does not let you put it here then in binaries content, and then here Windows 64. So here you can download it, Windows 64, and after you've done that, after you have Windows 64, and click on this easy anti-cheat, and then here easy anti-cheat, right click on it, create shortcut, and here right click on the shortcut and go to properties, and then here on setup.exe at the end make space and click on and type in repair and click OK. After you've done that, just double click it and some cmd commands will come up, and then just close this folder and then just relaunch Epic Games. Go again to this and let's try and launch it now. Let's see if it works. And as we can see, the Fortnite works just fine. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like and share the video, of course, and ask me any questions if you have. Bye.